Let's talk Mopar vehicle protection. There's nothing like that new car smell. If only it could last forever. But hey, while the scent may fade, Mopar vehicle protection can help keep every ride feeling like your very first drive. It's factory-backed extended coverage for everything, from the all-important cylinder blocks to the all-awesome heated seats. Toasty, right? We're talking major peace of mind here. Now at Mopar, we understand that no two owners drive the same exact road. So we don't make our protection plan a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. Leasing a car and focused on short-term plans? Buying brand new and thinking about the long run? Living in a cold climate with monster potholes? We've got a variety of Mopar vehicle protection plans, so you can choose one that's perfect for your needs. Here are 4 of the many options. 1. Maximum Care. Think of this one as your vehicle's full body armor. It's the best protection for a new vehicle, extending coverage on more than 5,000 components. That's right, 5,000. 2. Added Care Plus. With this plan, you can lighten things up but help keep your vehicle's powertrain and more than 850 major components running in tip-top shape. 3. Lease Protect. One perk of leasing is being able to drive the latest and greatest. This helps you keep things that way. And 4. Road Hazard Tire and Wheel Coverage. Consider curbs and potholes this plan's specialty. A major perk of each? Mopar vehicle protection plans are the only extended coverage plans backed by the people who built your vehicle. Say hello to expert service and factory-trained technicians. Plus, they're honored at any Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, or Fiat dealership in the United States. That's a huge win. Find the best Mopar vehicle protection plan for your vehicle at your local dealer or at moparvehicleprotection.com. Mopar, at your service.